Welcome to the Student Support Services Department. We would like to show you our learning spaces. So welcome again. This is our learning space. This room functions as a meeting room, as a classroom, as a place for students to focus, and also sometimes for students who are struggling emotionally as a place to stay and relax before they go back in a better state of mind. First of all, we would like to start by showing you the confidential files we have for students. These files are used by the department when we have to make decisions regarding their learning and their allocation for the student support services. The next equipment we'd like to show you is the computers for the students are using in the exam when they have accommodations for the IB students, and they are using computers to write their answers on the exams. The other accommodation we are actually providing them is the noise reduction headphones for them to focus, to reduce any external noise and to be able to concentrate in their exam. Okay, now we would like to show you a series of important documents for the Student Support Department, which also is accessible on the document we are sharing with you for the evaluation. The first series of documents is the child protection documents, questionnaires and processes, which is vital when we have a problem of child protection. And of course, the Student Support Department is going to deal with child protection issues as well. Now we can see the ATL book we have for our MYP students, and they are using it for their ITL skills, approaches to learning skills. So the next series of documents we're going to show you regard the MSF Process, which is the multi-tiered support scheme we have at MSF at the secondary school. And we're going to start with the first document, which shows exactly the triaging, the first category of students we might require some class management help. More intensive is the yellow part, the yellow box, and even more intensive, maybe testing and maybe allocation for student support, is the red one. As we can see, we have a timeline attached, so we know that we can track in time how we observe, how we collect data, and then how we allocate for student support services. We share with our teachers a big document on strategies in classroom, individualized and personalized help. And of course, we have the IB educational testing requirement document, which we show to parents so that they can follow the regulations from the IB and have evaluations for their students. In the second part of our video, we're going to show you the EAL classroom and talk about the EAL services and the counseling room. Now I would like to show you the EAL room, where English language learners come for the lessons and for the consultation with our EAL teachers. Welcome now to our counseling room at MSF Secondary, where Dr. Vance supports our students who are struggling lately. And I would say, Dr. Vance, would you agree that we have a lot of students that are struggling due to COVID?
Yes, I've had a lot of students who have come in just mainly for a one-time session, just to say that they're going through a period of being anxious or nervous, that it preoccupies their thoughts. So it gets in the way of their schoolwork. But I have other students who I've been meeting with for long periods of time. So I meet with children for all different needs. Secondary, they're not children anymore, they're young adults.
Our principal, Mr. Kyle Cox, we are one team, the Student Support Services team, and we are helping our students in a holistic way, we can say, learning academically, socially and psychologically. Thank you.